Hi friends, welcome back. Govind this side, and this is a chapter 9 where we are going to look how to use MySQL Server as a Docker image. If you are new to this channel, then I request you to go and watch my previous videos so that you can get the better understanding on this. Okay, so do you want to run the MySQL Server on your local machine? So how do you install the MySQL Server in your local machine? Okay, I can go to the traditional approach where I can download the MySQL installer. Okay, I can download the MySQL installer, then I can install the MySQL Server on my local machine. But as a modern developer, the approach is a little bit different. Why don't we use the Docker to run MySQL on local machine? So let's find the MySQL image on the Docker Hub. Okay, so this is a Docker Hub and this is the MySQL image. Okay, so let's pull this image on your local system and to install. Okay, so open terminal, the command prompt, and to pull the image the command is docker pull. But instead of pull, here we use the docker run MySQL 5.7. I want to download this version 5.7. If you can go on Docker Hub, there is 5.7 version is present. Okay, so you can download this version. So run command first check this image is locally present or not. If this image is locally not present, then run first means Docker first download the image from the Docker Hub and then run. Okay, so let's check. First it checking the means image present locally or not. So unable to find the image locally, so now downloading the image from the Docker Hub. After that installation is started automatically. Okay, installation is completed, but we get the error message like okay, now we need to set the root password. So run command again and set the root password here. MySQL root password -e, that is the environmental variable, is equal to password. Okay, and here I add the detach mode -d. Okay, so I add the -d. -d is the detach mode. It starting the container on, and terminal will be ready for you. Otherwise what happened, whenever you close the terminal, your container also kill if you not add the detach mode. Okay, I added detach mode so that if I close the terminal, my container is running. Okay, so that's why I added detach mode. Press enter. Okay, so now our MySQL server is up and running inside this container. Okay, inside this container MySQL image is up and running. So how to check? Docker images. Okay, so in Docker images, this is our image and the container Docker. Yes. Okay, so you can see that this is our container ID, and in this container ID this MySQL image is running, right? Okay, so let's connect with the MySQL server now. Okay, so how to connect with the MySQL server? There is two options. You can use the bash shell. Okay, you can use the bash shell, or you can use this normal terminal. So command is docker exec docker exec -it interactive mode. Okay, and container ID, so let me find out the container ID. So docker, yes. Okay, now use docker exe, means we can access our container by using this command. This command I explained in my previous videos. ID and ID of your container. Okay, this is ID of your container. MySQL -u root and -p, and now it is asking for password. So password I said perfect, so this is the password, enter. Okay, MySQL is up and running. Show tables. What is the command? Okay, so no database is selected. Create. Create database. Create database user DB. Okay. Syntax error. How to create database here? CREAD, create database. Spelling mistake, create database. Okay. Now show database says something like this. Okay. So here user DB database is present. Now create table emp or user ID integer name character. Okay, or name text. Okay, we need to select the database. Use user DB. You have SQL syntax error. You have error SQL syntax. The manual correspond to your MySQL version. For the syntax to use you. Use user DB. Okay. Now we inside the user DB database. So let's create the command create table. Okay. Table is created. Now show tables inside user DB. Okay. This user table. Now insert one row. Insert into user table, insert value 10 comma in insert into user values. Now select star from user table. Okay, so in this way we can work with the MySQL. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we will meet you in next video.